Made of or made from. What is the real difference between these two? Let's discuss. We use made of when we can get back the original product or thing from which something is made. What I mean to say is, for example, this chair is made of wood. Tell me, guys, can you get back wood from chair? Yes, you can get back wood from chair. So when we can get back the original product from something, so we will use made of. At that time, we use made of. So made from, we use made from when we cannot get back the original product or thing from which something is made. For example, cream is made from milk. Tell me, guys, can you get back milk from cream? No. You cannot get back original product, which is milk here, from cream. So we will use made from. So this is made of and made from. Now, first example is this cake is made blank flour. Tell me, guys, can you get back flour from cake? No, you cannot get back flour from cake. So we will use here from. This cake is made from flour. The house is made blank bricks. Can you get back bricks from house? Yes, you can get back bricks from house. So we will use of. The house is made of bricks. The bottle is made blank plastic. Can you get back plastic from bottle? Yes, you can get back plastic from bottle. So we will use of. The bottle is made of plastic. Paper is made blank wood. Can you get back wood from paper? No. So we will use here from. Paper is made from wood. Cheese is made blank milk. Can you get back milk from cheese? No. You cannot get back milk from cheese. So we will use from. Cheese is made from milk. The ring is made blank gold. Can you get back gold from ring? Yes, you can get back gold from ring. So we will use here the ring is made of gold. Juice is made blank grapes. Can you get back grape from juice? No, you cannot get back grape from juice. So we will use from. Juice is made from oranges. Plastic is made blank oil. Can you get back oil from plastic? No, you cannot get back oil from plastic. So we will use plastic is made from oil. Plastic is made from oil. The socks are made blank wood. Can you get back wool from socks? Tell me this one in comments below. So if you like this session, click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Happy learning.